On Tesla cars before 2022, when you turn on the Autopilot or FSD and cover the cabin camera, or your car doesn't have a cabin camera, the car will ask you to put your hands on the wheel all the time. This Nag-Free mode from Dripo gear will just touch the steering wheel automatically by itself, so your real hands are free. Hey guys, this is Vincius. Today I'm going to show you how to install Dripo gear Tesla Autopilot Nag-Free mode for Model 3 and Y 2022 and before. When you receive the package, this is the product, a microchip, and this is a tool to release the airbag. There are two holes on the sides of the steering wheel base. Push the hidden spring to release the airbag. Take out the airbag and remove the airbag plug. And remove the left plug for buttons and horn. You might have one more connector if you have heated steering wheel, just disconnect it as well. Put out the 3 points of the horn spring piece to reveal the 4 screws. And you magically put out a T25 screwdriver out of nowhere. Unscrew these 4 screws to remove the button panel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just put out the panel to remove it from the steering wheel. So we are going to do the modification on the right button. Disconnect the blue connector. Insert our product in between of the connector and the button. The female side plugs onto the bottom of the button. The male side with Dripo gear logo to the blue connector. Logo text and blue flat surface on the same side. Then put the button panel back to the steering wheel. Plug in the button connector to the steering wheel base. Double-click the right roller to turn it on and off. Single beep means it's on. Because the right roller does nothing if we don't turn on the Autopilot or FSD. So let's do a test drive on the freeway. Turn on the AP. It will nag only once and no more. It's adjusting the cruise speed up and down instantly every few seconds, so nothing changes, and the car knows your hand is on the wheel. After making sure everything works well, put the 4 screws back to fix the button panel. Plug in the airbag connector. Make sure no wire is in the way of the airbag. Then push the airbag in to lock it. Thanks for watching. Buy it now.